Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Abegi Swad. Wish you all a very happy Rakshabandhan. On this special brother sisters day, I am with a new recipe Chole Bhature. Hope you will enjoy watching. But before going through the recipe, make sure like, comment, share and also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Now let's start with the chole preparation. Chana Bhatura or Chola Bhatura is a spicy, tasty and a filling dish with a hint of tanginess. This recipe has spicy flavors. For the chickpea curry, soak the chickpeas in enough water for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. I have kept them for overnight. Next day they will double in size. Then rinse well and drain the water. Rinse for 2 to 3 times. Now in a pressure cooker, add the chickpeas with 500 ml water and a teaspoon of salt. You can also cook them into a pot or a pan. In that case, it will take longer time than in a pressure cooker. Cover the lid with the whistles and pressure cook for 6 to 7 whistles or till they're tender and cooked well. Meanwhile, in a blender, add a tomato, 1 large chopped onion, 1 inch ginger, 5 to 6 garlic cloves and 2 to 3 pieces green chili, followed by 1 tablespoon of water. Blend into a smooth fine paste. Keep it aside. Now coming towards the pressure cooker. Once the pressure releases completely, open the lid and check if they are cooked well or not. Drain all the water and keep them aside. Now heat a pan or a karai with 3 to 4 tablespoons oil. Add the whole spices, 2 small bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 green cardamom, 4 to 5 black peppercorns, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 pinch hing and half a teaspoon cumin seeds. Fry all the whole spices until they are fragrant, but do not burn them. The ground masala paste. Mix well. Keep stirring often. Saute for 8 to 10 minutes or more till oil starts to leave the sides of the masala paste. The paste will thicken and become
Now
glossy.
add all the dry masala powders. Half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and half teaspoon red chili powder. Mix the spices well and saute for a minute or 2. Then add the cooked chickpeas. Mix well. Add salt to taste and a pinch of sugar. Mix everything. Now pour 1 to 1.5 cups of tea liquor. Simmer the gravy. Stir occasionally. Mash some chickpeas with the back of a spoon. This helps thickening the gravy. Cook the gravy at low to medium flame for 12 to of Garam Masala powder or Chana Masala powder. I have used Chana Masala powder and 1 or 2 slit green chili. Stir and simmer the gravy for a minute. The consistency of the gravy will be thick to semi-dry. If you want a dry consistency, simmer for some more time. Check the seasoning and add if required. Switch off the flame and remove from the heat. You can garnish with coriander leaves. Now let's make the bhatures. To make bhatures in a bowl, take half cup plus 2 tablespoons semolina or suji. Pour 1/4 cup of water to it. Rinse and drain water and keep it aside. In a mixing bowl, take 3 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. One teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar and a pinch of baking soda. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons ghee. Mix for 3 to 4 minutes until breadcrumb texture. Now add semolina and mix with maida. Half cup of curd in parts. I have not used water, but if required add 2 to 3 teaspoons. Start kneading and make a smooth and soft dough. Cover the dough with a damp cotton cloth. Let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, again knead the dough for a minute. Then pinch medium-sized balls from the dough. Roll each balls with rolling pin. Apply some oil on the dough balls and roll into an oval or round shape. Now heat oil on medium to high flame. Drop each sheets into hot oil and it will start puffing within few seconds. Turn over and fry the other side. When light golden, remove from oil